If you're hunting for a PC case that blends quiet operation with a sleek, minimalist design, the Corsair 110q deserves a close look. It's built to fit smoothly into any environment without drawing attention, thanks to its understated style and 4 high-density sound dampening panels that seriously cut down noise. The 110q isn't just about looking good and staying quiet. It supports up to 4 drives, giving you plenty of storage flexibility. You get 2 dedicated 2.5-inch trays and 2 combo trays that accommodate either 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives, all housed in a removable cage. Plus, there's a 5.25-inch optical drive bay if you still rely on discs. Right out of the box, the case includes a 120mm fan to keep your components cool without adding extra noise. But it doesn't stop there. You can install up to 4 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans, and even multiple radiators if you're running liquid cooling. This means your PC stays cool under pressure without turning into a noisy distraction. One thoughtful touch is the removable dust filters located on the floor and front of the case. These filters help maintain a clean interior long after you finish building, which means less maintenance and better airflow over time. Users across the United States have praised the 110q for its quiet performance. One reviewer pointed out that even if your motherboard fans are a bit loud, this case helps keep overall noise levels down. That's a big deal if you want a peaceful workspace or a distraction-free gaming setup. This case is especially appealing for those who value subtlety. If you're tired of flashy lights and loud case fans common in many modern PC builds, the 110q offers a calm alternative. Its design focuses on taming noise rather than showing off, making it perfect for home theater PCs or office environments. Speaking of home theater PCs, one user shared how the 110q was their choice for a quiet HTPC setup. While streaming sticks are popular, they don't always offer the web browsing flexibility that some users want. The 110q case supports a PC that handles Blu-rays and web tasks quietly and unobtrusively. The case's sound dampening panels are a standout feature. They don't just muffle fan noise, they reduce vibrations and other mechanical sounds that can become annoying over time. This means your PC can run efficiently without becoming a constant background noise. Cooling options are robust, too. Whether you prefer air or liquid cooling, the 110q accommodates your setup with room for multiple fans and radiators. This flexibility ensures your system stays cool and stable, even during demanding tasks or extended gaming sessions. Storage versatility is another benefit. The removable drive cage makes upgrades or maintenance straightforward. You won't have to wrestle with cramped spaces or awkward placements when adding or swapping drives. Dust buildup is a common concern for PC builders, but the 110q's removable filters make cleaning quick and easy. Keeping dust out not only improves airflow but also prolongs the life of your components. This case helps you protect your investment over the long haul. The 110q's minimalist design also means it fits in without dominating your desk or entertainment center. It's a subtle presence that complements your setup rather than competing with it. That's why it's a favorite among users who want a clean, distraction-free space. If you're ready to upgrade your PC case to something quieter and more refined, the Corsair 110q is worth considering. It delivers on noise reduction, cooling, and storage without unnecessary extras or flashy aesthetics. Whether you're building a new system or replacing an old noisy case, the 110q offers a straightforward solution. Its quiet operation and flexible design make it a practical choice for gamers, media enthusiasts, and professionals alike. The included 120mm fan is a nice bonus, providing immediate cooling support so you can get your build up and running without hunting for extra parts. And with options for additional fans or radiators, you can customize your cooling to fit your needs perfectly. In short, the Corsair 110q is a solid pick if you want a PC case that stays out of the spotlight but delivers on performance and silence. It's built to keep your system cool, clean, and quiet, exactly what matters when you want to focus on your work or entertainment. If that's you, this case is definitely worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience a quieter, more streamlined PC setup that doesn't sacrifice functionality for silence. Quiet, practical, and thoughtfully designed, the Corsair 110q proves that a PC case can be both understated and highly effective. It's a smart choice for anyone who values peace and performance in their computing environment.